Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making oatmeal breakfast the Ghanaian way. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to show you how to achieve everything you are seeing. These are the ingredients we are using for today's oatmeal breakfast. We have 1 1/4 cups of oats, which is 14 white oats here. We have some grapes. We have 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. And we have sachet milk. This is the liquid one, and then this is the powdered one. We also have water. This is 1/2 cup. This is also 1 1/2 cup. And then we have slices of bread. We'll also be using some distilled white vinegar and 1/2 tablespoon of salt. We'll also be using a bowl for serving the oats, a ceramic spoon. So this is a ceramic bowl, a ceramic spoon. We'll use a wooden ladle and then our non-stick pan here. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Into the bowl, we are going to pour in our oats. Then we'll use the wooden ladle to mix it together with the water and let it sit as we boil the rest of the water in our non-stick pan. So we'll mix it like this and then leave it. So we'll set it aside as we bring into the middle of our non-stick pan. Into our pan, I'm going to add in the water. Then we'll place it onto our source of heat. Cover with the lid and then allow it to simmer. Into our bowl here, we'll add in some of the water. Then we'll pour about 1/4 tablespoon of the white vinegar into it. Place in our grapes. And then we'll rinse it nicely as we take it off the stems. Then we'll place it back into the bowl here and then we'll rinse it off with water, doing this so that any form of dirt on it can be cleaned. So we'll trash this water and then rinse it off with another water. Now I'll pour it back in and then we'll rinse it off nicely. Then we'll fetch them back into our bowl. Then we'll get rid of the next water as well. So these are our grapes. So our water is boiling. Taking off the lid, And then we are going to start adding in our oats. Stir it together. Doing this one so we see that it's starting to thicken up and bubble. Then we'll introduce into it our salt. Now that the oat has thickened up just like we want it to, we'll pour water which we use to rinse off the particles that was in the bowl into it, and then we'll mix once again as we allow it mix with the rest of the oats in the bowl. If you watch closely, you can see that it's about to start bubbling, so we are going to cover with the lid and then leave it to cook. So our oat is boiling. We're going to add in our salt, mix with the ladle until it combines with the rest. And then we'll let it cook for about 3 more minutes. This oat cooks pretty quick, so we are not going to waste so much time with it cooking. So this is it. This is how it looks like. So we are going to serve it. So we are going to add the rest of the ingredients to it. We'll add our sugar. Then we'll add our grapes to it for garnishing purposes. Then you can add your milk here or your milk powder, but I mostly like the milk powder because that's my favorite milk powder. So what we are going to do is that we'll serve it in 2 ways. And we'll also add our milk powder here. So you can serve your oats like this or like this, depending on which type of milk you like. So you can enjoy like this with some of the milk powder, and then we take some of our grape. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.